Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into IIFL mutual funds account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your IIFL mutual funds account as well. To do so, first of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for IIFL mutual funds login and hit on enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen, and then click on the first link that pops up, and this will take you to the official website of IIFL, where you can input your mobile number / client code and password to log into your mutual funds. Here, input your personal details correctly, but in case you forgot your password, you can reset and retrieve it by using this button, forgot password. And now after inputting your password and your mobile number, just tap on submit and your accounts will open up on IIFL mutual funds. And that's how you can log in into your IIFL mutual funds account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.